Good morning, everyone. So for today, for this week, we are going to be doing reading. I know yesterday we were supposed to be doing Write on Reader, but today we're going to do Life Skills Reader Trip to the Zoo. So it'll be pages 88 and 93. So if you can go all the way down to 88 and 93, right here. So we're going to be reading about animals. So the zoo is a fun place to visit. At the zoo, you can watch and learn about different animals. Polar bears live near the North Pole. Thick fur keeps them warm when it's cold outside. Polar bears have big, sharp claws. Flamingos are pink birds with long legs. They eat tiny, tiny plants that grow on water, plus insects and small fish. The biggest cat in the world is the tiger. Tigers hunt other animals for food. Their fur has black and brown stripes. The petting zoo is a special area where you can touch and feed the animals. Zoos also feature water mammals like seals and animals from other continents like African zebras. Large animals like bears are exciting to see in zoos. It is fun to spend a day at the zoo. Zoos have many different animals from around the world that you cannot see every day. So now we're going to answer some questions. We have 5 questions. You are going to circle the answer. For number 1, a zoo has many different A, cows, B, people, or C, animals. Circle the correct answer. Great job! Number 2, what is the biggest cat in the world? Is it A, a flamingo, B, a polar bear, or C, a tiger? Awesome job! Good job answering. Next section, directions. Write the word to complete the sentence. You can touch and feed animals in a petting zoo. Let's challenge ourselves. What is your favorite zoo? So go ahead and write what your favorite zoo is. Is it in Houston? Is it here in Texas? Is it in California, Florida? And then, what is your favorite zoo animal? My favorite zoo animal would have to be the hippo because it has small, tiny ears. What is your favorite zoo animal? Answer the questions and submit it for a grade once you are done. Good luck!